Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and as y'all can see, I'm up in the whip. And today, we're going to be seeing if my Harman Kardon sound settings work in modern BMWs. So, I have a video on my channel. It's actually one of my most popular videos of the best Harman Kardon sound settings. That video's got a lot of praises. A lot of people like the settings in that. And I just want to apply those settings to this modern Harman Kardon sound system in my 2021 BMW M3. So what I'm going to do first is let y'all hear what the stock system sounds like. No adjustments have been made. I haven't messed with anything. So y'all can hear exactly what the stock system sounds like. Then I'm going to apply my adjustments, let y'all know what my adjustments are. And then we're going to play the same song again for about 30 seconds. And we're going to see if we can really hear a difference. I know it may be a little tough. Hopefully my mic can pick up everything so y'all guys can kind of see the difference. And also you can try it out in your car. You can also refer back to my other video, which I'll be linking down below. And you can see all the good comments, all the great comments down there. People really enjoy the settings, said it really brung out the sound settings in the car, man. Because I think the settings are a little flat from the factory. And I just kind of turn them up just a little bit, just enough so you can get that. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get into the sound test on the stock settings. All right, everyone. So now I'm just going to go ahead and play the first 30 seconds of this song so y'all can kind of hear what it sounds like regularly, all right? And what I'm going to do, because this car right now has the sound focused towards the middle, I've got my camera kind of sitting right here on the middle armrest right here, so you guys can kind of really take on the sound, all right? So here we go. All right, so I played the 32 seconds of that song, so y'all kind of heard exactly what that sounded like. It actually didn't sound too bad, man. It didn't sound too bad. So I'll make sure I don't touch the volume. And now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply my sound settings so you guys can kind of see what's going on. All right, everyone. So now I'm at the home screen on my M3. So on this modern system, I think this is iDrive 7 or 8. I believe this is iDrive 8. Everything's a little different. It is touchscreen. Right now, this is the home screen. So what I'm gonna do, how you get into like your sound settings, you gotta go to car, and then you go to settings, which is right there. Then what you want to do is go to general settings. Then once you go to general settings, you can scroll down and then go to sound, which is where we're gonna go there. All right, and this is the Logic 7 surround, which it is on. So what I'm gonna do is the surround, it says sound ambient setting. I'm gonna turn the surround up 1, just to try that out. And then they got the treble right there. So I'm gonna turn the treble up +3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna turn my bass up 3, 1, 2, 3. Like I said, now the surround, treble, and bass is to your own liking. You know, if you don't like it, or if you're not really, you don't want to run that much treble or bass, you can change any of that. It's not going to affect my EQ settings. All right, balance, I like it right in the middle. Fader right in the middle. Some people like it faded more towards the front if they don't really have any passengers. I'm leaving this right in the middle now just so I can get the full sound so I can test it out. All right, now we're going to go to equalizer. All right, so as you guys can see right there, we are on the equalizer settings. So now what I'm gonna do is I already have my old settings written down. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply those right here. So we got 100 hertz. So 100 hertz, I went +6. So we'll click on that and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. +6, click on it to take it. Go to 200 hertz. 200 hertz is -6. We're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 500 hertz was +3. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1 kilohertz was +2. 1, 2. All right. 2 kilohertz was 0, so we'll leave that where it is. 5 kilohertz was -2. We'll go down 1, 2, and then 10 kilohertz was -1, so go down 1. Oh, I keep turning the wrong way. 1. All right, so now I got my settings in there. The treble and bass is already set where you already had it, so you don't need to mess with any of that. All right, so now let's go back to the home, and now let's play that same song again. I'm gonna put the mic and the camera in the same area, so I make it a fair comparison. So we're gonna lay it down here. I know y'all guys don't see a whole lot, but I just want to put it in the exact same spot to make it a fair comparison. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and play the same song, 32 seconds, and we can see if we can hear a difference. Hopefully you guys can hear a difference. I will definitely let you know if I hear a difference inside the car. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so y'all heard the sound right there, the sound difference between the stock settings and then also with my EQ settings put in there. So inside the car, from what I've heard, I can hear a little bit of difference. I think the song hit a little harder inside the car. I feel a little bit more vibrations in the seat from the subwoofer that's underneath the seat. So I will say the bass definitely hits harder, and I think the sound is just more, it's more ambient to me. So I think it does sound better. I'm gonna keep tweaking it, and if I make any changes, I'll come back and do another video. But I just wanted to see how my basic sound EQ settings sound in this car, and I think it sounds really good, man. Y'all comment down below, let me know if y'all heard a difference, man, because I think I did. So hopefully you guys heard a difference as well, man. So I wanted to make this a short and sweet video for you guys, man. So I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys like these settings, man, and put them into your BMWs, man. I think you're gonna like them. All right, so as always, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Hit that notification bell, and that's it, man. And that's it. So I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Peace.